Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this reverse canvas. If you want to see how I got this reverse canvas, just keep watching. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification button so you get notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in like 1 second. Okay. Okay guys, so if you want to know how to take out your stretched canvas to take it apart, watch my previous reverse canvas video. For this video, we're just going to work on staining this. I'm going to stain, you know what, I'm going to paint the canvas first because this is going to take longer to dry and this is going to be really quick. Okay, so I combined the blue and the black and I kind of got this kind of navy color. So hopefully this is enough paint because I'm painting on my canvas. Okay, so now we're just gonna start painting. And we're just gonna paint the whole thing, trying to get it as much coverage as we can. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna come back and put a second coat to even out the color. Okay, so now we're going to stain the frame. And this is so fun to do. Have any of you guys done reverse canvases? If you have, what's your favorite kind of reverse canvases to make? Like, do you like making some for the bathroom with those like funny sayings on them? Like, do you like making just home decor ones? Or what's your favorite style? What's your favorite way of doing them? And you want to make sure you get all the sides except the back. You don't really need to do the back, that's not going to be visible, but like the insides and like all around, you want to make sure you get those. That's how the canvas looks after it dried. So now we're going to do our iron on. To it, the design I picked says little one you will move mountains, and so I have that in white along with the mountains, and then I have these stars that will be with Caesar glitter iron on, or glitter HTB, and the white is Cricut everyday iron on. So I'm just gonna separate them. And this would be a good design to have you seen those reverse canvases where they put like lights in between them? This would have been a good one to do that because there's stars in it. Okay, so I'm already warming up my easypress, and now I have my easypress mat and my canvas, but I'm gonna warm it up in the back. Easypress. Okay, that's hot to the touch. So now I'm gonna take my design and I'm gonna see where I want it. And I think I'm gonna put this down. Can you see that? I'm sorry if I'm in the way. I'm gonna put this down to kind of get a feel for where I want to lay this. like that. And then when we put this on, okay, so it's gonna look like that, and the stars are going to go on the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna take some parchment paper. I'm putting the frame. This is how the frame look once it's stained. I'm gonna take parchment paper. You don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do this just in case to protect it. And put the waxy material facing the HTV. And I'm gonna press it for, I might have to do this. I'm gonna have to do it in two. Hold on, let's move it this way. I think I'm gonna have to do it in two because my easypress is not going to fit both sides. So I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do it for half the time, and then I'm gonna press the rest of it. And it's set to 300 degrees for 15 seconds. Okay, so I'm just tacking it down. I'm gonna give it a few seconds. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna work on getting our frame onto there. Okay, so it needs to be pretty perfect because of how the design is. Okay, so I'm gonna lift up one corner and I'm gonna hot glue it. And I'm gonna hold it down till it dries. And I'm gonna do the same with the top corner here. Lift it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this side and I'm going to stretch it. I'm gonna stretch it. You wanna make sure that it's nice and tight. I'm gonna make sure that okay. I'm gonna stretch it and then I'm gonna grab, so you're pulling it, and I'm gonna grab some hot glue and put it right there. I'm gonna hold it till it dries. I'm gonna start putting glue around the edges, but I'm stretching as I'm doing it still. hope you guys enjoy this video. That is all for this video. Tell me down below if you love how this turned out, because I love it. I think it is so cute. So cute. Share with me some of the reverse canvases you've done. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. I upload Tuesdays and Fridays. I don't know why I had to think about that. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.